If you're a creator, you know finding the right sound effects takes time, costs money, and can be a real headache to sync with your audio. But with Adobe Firefly, you can now create your own sound effects using your voice and even sync them directly to your video. Here's how it works. Head over to firefly.adobe.com/generate/sound effects. I'll put a link in the description to make it easy for you. You'll also need to register using the email of your choice. Over here on the left, just type in the sound you want to create. Next, the fun part. You can use your voice to record how you want the final effect to sound. Your voice will control the timing, energy, and inflection. Just click record, then perform the sound the way you want. For example, let's say you want to create the sound of a robot talking. Let's type in our prompt, click record, sound ridiculous for a moment, then click generate. Beep boop 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 beep 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 boop boop beep 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 beep. Firefly will give you 4 variations of the effect. How about we take a second and check out the sound effects Adobe created for us? Okay, interesting, not too bad. But we can take this one step further by uploading a video and then generate the sounds for the timing we need. For example, here's a video of a bear sitting in the woods, and we want to add a growling effect that matches his movements. So let's type in our prompt, click record, and see what we get. But Adobe Firefly also gives you the ability to create layered sound effects as well. For example, here's a video of a boat, and let's say we want to add the sounds of the waves splashing against the hull, the sound of the engine, and the wind. The best way to do this is to create 3 separate sound effects and try not to record everything all at once. So I'm going to speed up the video and skip to the final results, but to create everything, I vocalized 3 different sounds, one for the waves, one for the engine, and one for the wind, and each completed sound was added down here, of which is very easy to do and intuitive. And here is the final version. However, it all comes down to how you write your prompts, and Adobe gives us some tips on how to create the best sound effects on their page about writing prompts. Some of the important keys are to use clear, concise, and direct text descriptions, focusing on what your effect sounds like. Make sure to use adjectives and verbs to guide the sound for the behavior you want. Also, be sure to use commas to separate key words or descriptions to specify the sounds you want to create. But most important, make sure you only generate one sound at a time, because for best results, you want to layer each of them within your final video. Now, as you may have guessed, this is a paid service, but the free trial will get you 10 complimentary generations, so if you like it, you'll need to upgrade, and you can see the pricing here. Okay, and that's it for this one. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and now here's another video for you.